Hello, welcome to this video. This is sword lesson 4. This is the fourth lesson on sword, and in this video we are going to be talking about similar swords. Now, what are similar swords? Similar swords are swords that are multiples of the same sword. So when you multiply a particular sword by other numbers, whatever result you have is called similar sword because those swords are similar. So examples are the following. Number one, similar sword of sword 2 are these. Now, this is sword 2. If we are to find the similar sword of this sword, all we do is to multiply this sword by other numbers. Like here now, we multiply this sword by 2, and then we're going to have what? 2 sword 2. Then we also multiply the same sword by 3. That gives us 3 sword 2. And then we multiply the same sword by 7. That gives us 7 sword 2. So at the end, you see that this sword and this one and this one and this one, they are all similar sword because they both has the same sword. They are multiples of this. They are multiples of the same sword, which is sword 2. So here you see that you have sword 2 here. This one has sword 2, sword 2, sword 2. So irrespective of the number that is their multiples, they are all similar. So, and one thing about similar swords is that they can be added. If two or more swords are similar, the advantage is that those swords can be added or subtracted. We'll do that in the next video, which is talk about subtraction and addition of sword. And we're going to see how similar sword will help us to facilitate the addition and subtraction of sword very easily. Now, number 2 says similar sword of this now. How do we find similar sword of this now? All we do is to find the similar sword of a particular sword. All you do is to multiply that sword by another number. So this is going to give us 3 sword 5 times 2. It's going to give us what? 2 times 3 is 6. That's 6 sword 5. If you multiply it by 3, you are having what? That's going to give us 3 times 3, which will give us 9 sword 5. If you multiply 3 sword 5 by 4, that give you 12 sword 5. So all these swords, they are all similar sword because they are all multiples of the same sword, which is sword 5. So you see that they all have sword 5, sword 5, sword 5. So they are similar sword and they can be added or subtracted. Now we're going to see how to express similar sword in single form, right? We're going to see how we can write similar sword in single form. Like this similar sword now, they are in mixed form. These are all similar sword, but they are in mixed form. How can we write it in single form? So now we have number 3 says, write the similar sword of sword 2 in single form. Now this is the first one here. We have a sword 2. So the similar sum of this sword 2 is found by multiplying this sword 2 by other number. Here now we start by multiplying this sword by 2, and then we have what? 2 sword 2. That's correct. Then we are going to what? To separate this sword like what we did in the previous video. We are going to expand it, and then you find. So we are going to try to express this sword as a single sword or pure sword because this is a mixed sword. So now we are going to have, if you square this 2, it's going to give us 4, and then 4 times this sword 2 is going to give us sword 8. This is now the single, this is now the single form. Sword 8 is now the single form of this particular, of the similar sword of this. So other one can be formed by doing 3 times sword 2. This is going to give us 3 sword 2. And by the time you square these 3, it's going to give us 9. 9 sword times 2 sword. If you multiply the sword together, unify them, it's going to give us sword 18. And then we are going to have another similar sword of sword 2. That's going to be 4 times sword 2. Going to give us 4 sword 2. And then 4 square is 16. Then we put 16 in square root, multiply by the sword. Then unify the sword. It's going to give us 16 times 2, which is times 2, which is the same as 36. So as you can see now, all these sword, this particular sword, which is the original sword, plus all this one, they are all similar sword in single form. They are not in mixed form as previous example. They are similar sword. We can write this. They are similar sword in mixed form, and then this, they are similar sword in single form. So this is how to express similar sword as single in single forms. Thank you for watching this video. The next video is going to be how we are going to use similar sword to do our addition and subtraction of sword. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to this channel. And other videos on this sword, you can check them at the description for the link. Thank you.